What's good, YouTube? Travel Fanatic here with another video. Yo, today, by the title of this video, you already know what's going on, so let's get right into it. Make sure that you download Fivem, whether it's through Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. It does not work. All right, so make sure you download through Fivem. All right, and I will have the link in the description on where you could download Fivem through the direct website. Okay, so after you do that, make sure you go through the whole process of the downloads. You already know to drop it. You can either drop it, it's gonna download automatically, and you could drop it on your desktop. So that's very important. That's key, bro. Make sure you know exactly where it is. So as you can see, I have different folders. Well, not folders. I have different local disks. So make sure you know exactly where it is. So that was probably you trying to figure out where it is. If you don't know where your Fivem folder is or is gonna be, you go to properties right here, and then all you gotta do is click open file location, and it'll tell you exactly where it is. Okay, so something that I did that helped me was I noticed that in the past I had GTA Rockstar in a different drive. Right, so right here, I see I have different drives. If you don't have a different drive, you have one drive, this may not be a problem. But if you do have duplicates of GTA, make sure you get rid of it and only keep the GTA that you got, whether that's from the new GTA, whether that's from Steam, whether that's from Rockstar itself, or Epic Games. I got my GTA from Steam, and if you need to know where your GTA current file is, open up Steam, go to GTA, go to your library, go to GTA, right click, manage, browse local files, and there you go. You'll know where your GTA is. So we're gonna minimize all of this, close this out. Okay, so something that I did to help me get the program open, there's a series of things that you can try, a series of things you can do. So mine's just gonna run for the sake of this video, but you get there, you get stuck, or whatever. So the first thing you can do is go to Task Manager and search to see if you have Fivem open. All right, if you have Fivem open, make sure that you click it, right click, in Task. All right, so if that was Fivem, I'll right click, in Task, right? Close that out. So that's how you know for sure it's not open, it's not running in the background. Next thing you want to do is go to Windows Security. Manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Then you go to add or remove exclusions. As you can see, mine is already there. All you have to do is, if your folder is not there for Fivem, all you have to do is click add exclusion, folder. Make sure you click folder. And remember, I told you, if you don't know where your folder is, all you have to do is right click on Fivem, hit properties. All you gotta do is click open file location. Boom. You can literally copy this and you paste it right here. Hit the search, all of that. Get that folder in here, select folder, and it will show up right here. All right. So that's how you know. All right, that's one step you could do, and you could try opening the app, see if it works. If it doesn't work, this is something else you could try and do. Go to search, go back to Fivem, right click, properties, right? And then you go to compatibility. You can also put run compatibility troubleshooter. So for me, it may look different because my Windows is updated. If your Windows is not updated, bro, it's not going to look the same. So it's going to ask you, are you trying to troubleshoot program? Yes. This program requires additional permissions because it does. Right? Is this a problem? Yes. Right? Once that's done, exit out. Make sure all of this is unchecked. Change your settings. So every user is going to be unchecked. It's going to be the same thing. You click apply. Okay. Back out of that. Now, another thing you can do, bro, before you try to run it again, is go to game mode settings, okay? So type in game mode in the search. It brings you here. Hit graphics. Now, if your Fivem is not showing here, all you got to do is browse desktop. And remember, you gotta copy the location, my Fivem right there. You click add, boom. Make sure it's on high performance. You click options, high performance, save. Then you exit out, right? If that doesn't help you, another thing that helps is opening Steam and then running Fivem. Now, I'm not going to run it right now because when I did that for me the first time, it did not help. It did not do anything. Another thing I tried was downloading the actual ROCKSTAR games. Get the launcher, you download it for whatever type of computer you have. I'm assuming Windows, and you good to go, all right? Now, once you do that, bro, all you got to do is launch the ROCKSTAR games, bro. Launch ROCKSTAR games, bro. So it's gonna connect all of that. If you're not signed in, it's gonna ask you to sign in, and then it's gonna ask you to verify your account. So you could do that, all of that stuff, and sign in, right? Boom. Now, once you sign in, bro, it's also, if you have the Steam open, it's gonna ask you to like connect your Steam. This is where it helped me. If you had, that's why I said keep the Steam open, because once you download this and sign in, it's gonna ask you to connect your Steam. If you bought it through Steam, this is where it's really gonna help you, because it's gonna automatically show up a redemption code. The redemption code is gonna come. You don't even gotta type it in. You wanna look for it. Nothing. It's gonna come up. I mean, you hit OK, all of that stuff, and then it's gonna automatically connect, right? The next thing you want to do, once that's all set up, bro, is gonna show your library of games, bro. So if you sign in, I'm gonna sign in. Once you sign in, it's gonna load. Then your games, which is right here, my library is gonna show up. So GTA already shows up. All right. So what you want to do is you want to click exit out of that. You'll be good to go. Okay. Now that's already telling Fivem that you got the game, stuff like that. Because what happens is, if you get it, depending on where you get it from, it could affect the 5 a.m. when it loads up, all right? So then, once you do that, all you gotta do, bro, is open Fivem again. I'm telling you, it's gonna work. And then it'll say something like this, right? That happens. It's okay. It's so cool. Nothing to get all worked up about. All you gotta do is close this out. Hit open. And y'all see the magic happens. That's all you gotta do, bro. If this helped you, bro, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, gang. We got some fire coming, bro. Stay tuned, bro. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Trapping Fanatic. Y'all already know what it is.